Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to send money from Halifax to PayPal. First, ensure you have an active PayPal account and your Halifax bank details readily available. This process involves securely linking your Halifax bank account to your PayPal profile. Once linked and confirmed, you can easily transfer funds or make payments directly from your Halifax account through the PayPal platform. It's a straightforward method designed for convenience and security, allowing you to manage your finances efficiently between these two services. To begin, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section or look for bank accounts and cards. Here, you will find an option to link a bank account. Select this and then carefully enter your Halifax bank details, including your sort code and account number. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy before proceeding. This step securely connects your Halifax account to your PayPal profile, setting the foundation for future transactions. After entering your details, PayPal will send 2 small deposits, typically under £1 each, to your Halifax account. These are usually sent within 1 to 2 business days. You'll need to check your Halifax bank statement or online banking to find these exact amounts. Once you have them, return to your PayPal account and enter these 2 figures to confirm your bank account. This crucial step verifies that you are the legitimate owner of the Halifax account. With your Halifax account successfully linked and confirmed, you are now ready to send money. When making a payment or sending funds, you will have the option to choose your linked Halifax account as the funding source. Simply select the recipient, enter the desired amount, and confirm the transaction. PayPal will then process the payment directly from your Halifax account. This provides a seamless and secure way to manage your transfers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.